Okay, everybody, welcome to BLKWGN Products. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to register to become a vendor today. All right, so once you get to the BLKWGNProducts.com homepage, it's going to look like this. And in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Sign Up, Log In, and the Cart. You're going to click on Sign Up, and it's going to redirect you to the My Accounts page or the registration page. So you can log in here on the left, or you can register here on the right. Since we're going to be registering, we're going to work with register today. And since we're going to also be looking to sign up to be a vendor, we're going to check the box for I am a vendor. So here we're going to put in our email address, test.blkwagon.com, and we're going to generate a password. We're going to put in our information. Today my name is going to be John Doe, and our shop information is going to be Test Store 5. Now you want to make sure that your shop name isn't taken by anybody else's, so go ahead and hit tab twice, and it'll do a site-wide search to verify that there's no duplicates. And as we see, this one is available. So go ahead and put in your store number, your store phone number. That's the BLKWGN number there. And then select I've read the terms and agreement or conditions and I agree to them. You can see them all right here. Underneath that, you can choose your subscription package. You can pick one of 3 packages right now. We're going to go with the startup package today. And this box here is going to let you know all the features and details of it. This is a free package, by the way, the startup package. Anybody can use this. And you're going to click on register. So we'll give this page a second to kind of work its magic. And it should take us to the checkout page. Perfect. All right, so it took us over to the checkout page where we can enter our information. It's letting you know that your registration has been accepted, but in order to activate your account, you have to log in first, or you have to activate your email or verify your email before you can log in. And then the package that you have is the startup package. Okay. Promo codes if you have any, or if you're a returning customer, click here. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to play with this a little bit. Remember, my name is John Doe on this one. I don't have to put the company name in for this, is just the billing information. Okay. I'm going to put 123 Sesame Street, my address. I don't know why all those other addresses auto-populate for me. Do that. Again, your phone number. Your email address, test.blkwagon.com. Create an account to generate a password. Perfect. And then it's going to show you what you're ordering, how much it costs over here. And then this right here, it's just letting you know that we do use cookies and all that other kind of stuff, advertising information and whatnot. Basically the terms and conditions. Check the box, click on place order. We're going to let this thing work its magic and get ready to open up the setup wizard after it shows proof that the order was received. Perfect. The order was successfully placed. Order number is here, the date, your email address, and the amount total. It automatically redirects us to the setup wizard. It only takes 2 minutes to actually set this portion up. This is something that you can skip, or you can just go ahead and do it. I recommend go ahead and doing it anyway. So we're going to click on Let's Go, and it's going to just basically want some store information, your store street address. So we're going 123 Sesame Street. Okay, the city, we're going with Detroit. Let's go 48219. Country, let's go United States. You can also use the drop down, and Michigan is our state here. Okay, leave your store categories as uncategorized so you can import in products from multiple different categories. And if you want your email address to show, you can just click this button and it'll show your email address. Once you fill this out, click on continue, and then it's going to take you to the payment screen. And the payment screen is literally for how you want to receive your money from BlackWagon. After a customer places an order, the money is held by BlackWagon until the order is labeled as completed. And you can get paid via PayPal, through bank transfer, or through Skrill. For PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address. For your bank transfer, you have to enter your banking information, such as your account number, the name of your bank, the address of your bank, and the routing number. And if you want to use Skrill, you just have to enter in your Skrill email. So for now, I'm going to skip this step because it's not necessary for me to show you all my bank information at the moment. So I'm going to click on skip this step. Now, excellent. So it's telling me that my store is now ready. Okay. So I'm going to click on go to store dashboard. Now you may need to go verify your email and follow that link in order to actually have vendor access completely. So this may redirect us back to the home page. And if it does, no big deal. We just need to go to our email and we need to click on the email that BlackWagon has sent to us to validate our email address. While we're waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to verify that the emails have come in. Excellent. So here's first email saying, please activate your account, and another email saying that your account has been created. So we're going to activate our account using this link here in the email, because just as I thought, this is not loading just yet because, well, we have not activated our account. It should be. Ah, perfect. This right here is the vendor dashboard. And as you can see, your 20% of your profile has already been completed. Over here, you've got a drop-down menu and everything. You can see your orders, your sales for the month, your sales, your earnings, how many people viewed your page, and how many orders you get. Latest announcements from BlackWagon are listed over here. Over here, you can see all your products. You can add a product here, see how many total products you have, how many are live, how many are offline, and how many are pending review. So that is how you sign up for a BlackWagon vendor account. And this is what your My Account page looks like once you hit that email and it loads. It's going to take you straight to this page, My Account. From there, you click on Go to Vendor Dashboard to be able to see this vendor dashboard page that you see here. I'm Robert with BlackWagon. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Please comment below if you have any other questions or comments or concerns that you would like to have answered, or reach out to us at any given time and we'll show you or walk you through the steps personally. Happy selling.